Could the legendary Money Mayweather actually be broke? That's the shocking question on everyone's lips, as boxing icon Floyd Mayweather gears up for an explosive return to the ring, sparking massive fan speculation across social media. While many believed the 50-0 champ was unretiring out of financial necessity, insider Shawn is here to set the record straight, giving us the exclusive scoop behind Mayweather's controversial comeback. Porter, who knows the hurt business intimately, insists that Floyd isn't running out of cash. He's simply driven by an undeniable passion for the sport he's dedicated his entire life to. Forget the money, forget the fame. According to Porter, this is just what the man loves to do. With a high-stakes rematch against Manny Pacquiao on the horizon in September, plus exhibition bouts lined up against both Mike Tyson and Mike Zambitas, Floyd is hitting the gym hard, training daily. Even Tyson himself confirmed their May exhibition in the Congo, exclaiming, "Yeah, it's happening." It seems Money Mayweather isn't broke, just unbreakably committed to his craft, shutting down the hottest gossip with pure action. Don't miss any more shocking celebrity revelations. Hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop.
Missed anything? Check our channel for more celebrity news and gossip.